JLPT, Japanese Language Proficiency Test, and 5 kanjis.
Right, let's learn one by one. This kanji mean
手、
hand,
貝、手、
similar kanji types of this kanji. Kunyomi reading of this kanji.
手、手、手、た、
Onyomi reading of this kanji.
しゅ、つ、
Let's learn how to write this kanji. It is have for strokes. Compound of the kanji character. In this part, we are going to learn how to use kunyomi and onyomi readings.
手、
hand,
手紙、
letter,
手伝う、
to help,
手術、
surgery,
手袋、
gloves,
手帳、
notebook,
Further meanings of this character.
hand, arm,
Meaning of similar kanjis.
hand, hand radical, not commonly used on its own.
手、
Hand, hand radical number 64, not commonly used on its own.
毛、
Hair,
寺、
temple,
千、
thousand.
Thanks for learning with us. See you with next kanji lesson.